Last year I built a 10-foot high rock wall over my pool and it was awesome. This year we're making it even better, and we're adding another 4 feet on top of that. Let's get started. First, I chopped up a bunch of 2 by 8 foot lumber to make the main structure of the wall. I screwed it all together and then added a thin sheet of plywood. 2 by 4s were added to give the plywood some strength. To get the thickness of the plywood to match the rest of the wall, multiple layers had to be laminated together. I trimmed the excess wood and glue off to make it flush with the rest of the wall. I give the whole wall segment a coat of textured paint to make it grippy and last longer. I randomly drill a bunch of holes for all the T-nuts. I first bang them in with a hammer and use a drill and screw to fully seat them. The previous rock wall base wasn't strong enough, so I decided to add a second 4x4 to make it stiffer. I used threaded rod and drop-in anchors to attach the wood to the concrete. In the previous design, the bottom of the rock wall was held to the base with 2 bolts mounted in wood. This caused a pressure point. To fix this, I made aluminum plates that mount on the wood, which spreads the load out. The rock wall was first fully assembled in the pool deck and then placed on moving dollies to make it easy to move it around. A series of air mattresses were used to float the wall into position. The 2 bottom bolts were installed to attach the rock wall to its base. I then climb up the rock wall to attach the rope used to pull it up into place. My friends thought climbing the wall looked fun, so they all gave it a try too. A 4,000-pound come-along was used to pull up the slack. Because the rock wall was only getting pulled up by one corner, the whole thing started twisting, so we decided to retie the rope and try again. This time we pulled from both corners and it seems to work a lot better. The come-along ran out of rope to pull, so the wall was tied off so the come-along could be given more slack. It's time to start setting. Here goes the first try on the new addition to the wall. I didn't get too much footage of the rock wall completed, but there will be more pool rock wall videos soon. Thanks for watching.